always worry about the mother hoes. And you'll be I'ma rain on the beach.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just did this little simple look right here. Yeah. I don't know what to do. But if you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Don't mind my hair. And this crazy kid. I already did my brows with the same thing as always, the e.l.f. pomade and espresso. I used the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Total Coverage concealers right here, and I just carved out my brows. And then today I'm gonna be going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette right here, her second one, I think, palette. So this little kid is being hard on me today and will not let me do a video. So this is how I had to record my video now. But I'm just gonna blend out the concealer, and then the first shade I'm gonna be going in with is this shade right here called G Money. And then I'm gonna go in with the my phone fell on the palette and it messed it up. But to go in a lighter shade, I'm gonna be going in with this shade right here, and it's called Comfort Zone. And I'm just gonna be blending it out on the top. So I decided to do eyeliner, and this is my first time doing a wing in like a long time, and it actually came out pretty good. But then I don't know, it actually came out good, but it's gonna be hard to put it on this eye, so I honestly don't know how it's gonna work out. And then this little kid is not letting me do nothing. He's just being a crybaby today. Children, right? You're being quiet, baby. Yeah, you're being quiet, baby. Yeah, you're being quiet, baby, today. Yeah. Look. Look. You're just looking at the camera. Smile for them. Get them a big smile. Yeah, get them a big smile. No smile for them? Huh? 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 Okay. Well, I'm gonna do the other eye really quick, and hopefully my eyeliner turns out the same. I really think I'm not gonna finish my makeup. Life with 2 kids. And before I put on eyeliner, actually came out, I keep looking at my eyeliner because it actually came out really nice. Just don't look at my hair. Before I put on eyeliner, I put on Flawed and Odd, this color right here, the inner of my lid. It actually looks nice. And then I forgot to blend the top of the concealer. I'm gonna blend out the concealer on top of my brows, and then
I'm gonna go in and do my eyelashes. And for my top eyelashes, I'm gonna be going in with the L'Oreal Paris Luminous mascara over here. And then, oh, my eyelashes are in the restroom. But I'm gonna go in with this athenalashco again. And it's in the style Angel. But let me go get them real quick. And let me put them inside the box so y'all can at least see the style. I had to lay the baby on the bed because he wanted just to be in my arms. And then I wouldn't be able to film my video. Oh, these eyelashes have a lot of glue on them because I wore them yesterday. So these are the lashes I'm gonna be going in with. There is a little bit of glue on them because they're my favorite lashes. And I wore them yesterday. If y'all would like to buy some eyelashes, I have a discount code with them. And I put my code in the link below. I just got done putting on my lashes, and I totally forgot, but I forgot to link these little thingies I got from Amazon. Well, especially this one. So instead of having to put this all over your eyelashes, you can just pinch them together with this little thingy. I don't know. I got it from Amazon. It was like $9, I think. It came with this little eyelash applicator too. I don't know. I'll try to link it down below this time if I can remember. But next I'm just gonna do my face, and I'm just gonna do it in a time lapse because it's the same stuff I use. But if I use something different, I'll just tell y'all. But be back.
What you wanna know? I don't. And you'll be coming back to me. I was worried about the mother hoes, and you'll be on me when the money goes.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look right here. I'm just gonna go fix my hair and put on some different clothes really quick. Guys, so this is the finished look over here. It came out really cute. And it already looks like it's getting dark outside, but it's not. It's barely freaking 5, and it looks like the sun is already gone. I don't know. This is the finished look right here, guys. If you liked this video, then like and subscribe. I get all awkward at the end. Bye guys.